Hello creators, Kool here from authorityvideos.com, your go-to hub where creativity meets strategy and success. Today, I've got something sizzling for you. We're diving into the viral emoji reels trend. Think bite-sized brilliance that's lighting up Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Ready to learn how to craft eye-popping videos that grow your audience and boost your reach? Let's do this! Now, why are emoji reels taking over? Simple. They're snappy, visually stunning, and oozing personality. In this fast scroll world, they're the digital equivalent of love at first sight. Seriously, creators like you have gone from obscurity to 256,000 followers, yes, I counted, by mastering this. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard. AI is here to be your creative sidekick. Here's the game plan. 1. Generate engaging, story-driven ideas with ChatGPT. 2. Bring them to life with visuals using Leonardo AI and CGdream AI. 3. Animate your masterpiece with Kling AI. 4. Add professional voiceovers with ElevenLabs. 5. Polish everything up with Veed and post like a pro. Oh, and don't miss the free cheat sheet linked in the description. It's your secret weapon to stay on track. Let's roll. Step 1. Idea generation with ChatGPT. We're starting with the MVP of creativity, ChatGPT. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who never runs out of coffee. Here's how it works. Open ChatGPT, start a new chat, and plug in the prompts I've shared. If you're new, no worries. I've prepped everything for you. Just copy, paste, and watch the magic happen. Your creativity is about to hit turbo mode. Let's set the stage for some visual brilliance. Example, Prompt 1, enchanted indoor oasis scene. Summary, a glowing green and yellow sphere in a lush, magical garden, bathed in golden sunlight. Prompt 2, fantasy sunny beach, escape. Summary, 2 glowing spheres, green and yellow, float joyfully in turquoise waters, under a sunlit tropical sky, radiating energy and calm. Prompt 3, cozy rainy day, haven. Summary, in a warm, rainy day setting, 2 glowing spheres brighten a windowsill, offering cheer and comfort against the grey drizzle outside. Step 2, visual creation with Leonardo AI and CGdream AI. Let's make those ideas pop. Start with Leonardo AI for jaw-dropping visuals. Model, Leonardo Phoenix. Style, dynamic medium-high contrast. Aspect, ratio, 9:16, ideal for reels and shorts. Paste your prompt, hit generate, and voila, your vision comes to life. Not stopping there, CGdream AI takes your visuals to the next level. With its advanced filters and pro settings, you'll create art that stands out in any feed. My filter picks, cartoon fantasy for dreamy vibes or creative enhancer for that extra pop. Step 3, animating with Kling AI, time to add movement. With Kling AI, animating your images is a breeze. Personally, I will choose CGdream AI images for animation. 1. Drag and drop your image. 2. Select professional mode. 3. Set animation duration to 10 seconds. Generate, grab a coffee, and let Kling do its thing. Pro tip, these animations aren't just cool, they're scroll stoppers. Step 4. Voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Let's give your videos a voice that resonates. Go to the text-to-speech tab. Choose a voice. Luke is a personal favorite, but pick what suits your vibe. Paste your text, hit generate, and boom, a professional voiceover in seconds. This is how you keep your audience hooked. Step 5, editing with Veed. Now for the grand finale, editing with Veed. Import your animations and voiceovers. Add captions, transitions, and color-perfect text from the left menu. Sync everything to trending audio from TikTok or YouTube's library. Export in 1080p HD with crisp quality, and you're ready to post. Trust me, your videos will look chef's kiss. Here is the video we just created.
Step into a magical indoor oasis where sunlight filters through tall glass windows, illuminating a world of vibrant greens. 2 glowing spheres, a lively green and a gentle yellow, rest together on a mossy bench, their energy bringing the lush garden to life. Feel the warmth, connection, and serenity of this enchanted sanctuary. escape to a sunny beach paradise where two glowing spheres float in crystal clear turquoise waters. The green radiates vibrant energy, while the yellow exudes soft, golden warmth. Together, they illuminate the waves and the sky, creating a dreamlike scene of joy and serenity. Cozy up on a rainy day, where two glowing spheres bring light and joy to the gray drizzle outside. Framed by a large window, the green sphere beams energy, while the yellow sphere radiates gentle warmth. Together, they create an intimate and comforting haven of companionship.
With Veed's toolkit, ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, CGdream AI, Kling AI, ElevenLabs, and Veed, you've got everything you need to create viral emoji reels that dominate social media. Want followers, brand deals, engagement like never before? This is your roadmap. Grab that cheat sheet, hit subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to tag me when you go viral. Until next time, keep creating magic with authorityvideos.com, where your creativity finds its power. Peace.